Step 6. Create a filtered database. Multi-column databases in Excel working with this program can be divided into 8 steps. In the 6th step, a copy of the database is created. The data in the copy is filtered, and the filtered ID numbers are displayed in the combo box for identification numbers. The Create New Database Copy button creates a database copy from the active worksheet. The newly created copy is not filtered. To apply a filter in the Copy of Database worksheet, click on cell A1, then select Home, Sort and Filter, and Filter from the menu bar. If the input form is now called up and the Filtered Database checkbox is clicked, only filtered identification numbers will appear in the combo box for identification numbers. Changes to ID number data are made in the active table, not in the database copy. If the Database checkbox is clicked, all identification numbers will be listed in the combo box for identification numbers.